I've seen. Number one, it's kind of blue. It's kind of blue, and it's kind of blue. Number two, red bird. Number three, I went to Florida once and I saw one of those ones that are in Nemo. I think it's a pelican, and it goes like mine, 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 and it was really cool, but it didn't talk to me at all, and it was mean. Number four, a bald eagle. Yeah, I saw a couple of those. Um, Shout out America. Number five, a bird flew into my house and I was really scared. I don't know what kind of bird it was, but I was also scared of it. Number five, I saw a vulture. Number five, I saw a vulture eating a dead cat and it made me really sad and I cried for 3 hours. Number six, water bird. Number seven, top bird that I saw in my life. Probably, I don't know if it's a bird, but it's a bat. They're probably birds, they fly. They're pretty cool. Number eight birds that I've seen in my entire life was a crow. Those are pretty cool. Those are pretty cool birds and they can talk.